Good morning, students. It's great opportunity from YMCA school that we have won an opportunity to give webinar for robotics and coding classes to your school students. First of all, I just want to say that it is a great opportunity just because of the fact that आज का जो इवॉल्विंग वर्ल्ड है ये कोडिंग रोबोटिक्स को बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड कर रहा है एंड योर स्कूल YMCA has given you the great opportunity to interact with the knowledge which is there with which must be there with you to get better communication, better interaction, and better exposure in the present world. So it's great opportunity for all of you today that you are going to get knowledge about what is coding, what is robotics, what is its present perspectives, what is its future perspectives, and what is it's going to impact, how it is going to impact your life. So I welcome all the students of YMCA. I welcome all the students of teachers, all the teachers of YMCA management, and all the dignitaries who has given us the opportunity and the opportunity to students also to get interacted with the present this technology with which is there all around us and all around the world. First of all, now today what we are going to do, this should be understood very clearly what we are going to give you today. uh, I just want to communicate in Hindi also, so that if any of the students is having issue with not understanding in English, so they will also better get to know what we are doing today. Students, आज हमारा जो ये सेशन है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है, क्योंकि आप लोग कोडिंग के बारे में सुनते हैं, रोबोटिक्स के बारे में सुनते हैं, बट व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली, व्हाट इट्स इज यूज, व्हाट इज इट्स प्रेजेंट प्रोस्पेक्ट्स, वो हमारे लिए क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, आज क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है। आज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने सारे स्कूल्स को 6 क्लास से 12 क्लास तक कोडिंग क्लासेस कंपलसरी किया है। बाकायदा वो नॉर्म्स न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में डाला गया है कि दैट यू हैव टू गो फॉर द कोडिंग क्लासेस फ्रॉम क्लास 6 ऑनवर्ड। Why? Because in the present world of digitalization, it is very much important that you will have to know the digital literacy. Digital literacy doesn't mean that you'll have to know only the computer knowledge, that you can type in computer, you can work on MS Word and such type of things. No, computer literacy is somewhat bigger than that. आज के डेट में हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग जो मोबाइल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल पर डेली जो भी लोग स्मार्टफोन रख रहे हैं, 4 घंटे 5 घंटे डेली स्मार्टफोन पर स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर्स लैपटॉप्स इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं जो भी हमारे लोग हैं। सो वाई वी आर डूइंग दिस थिंग? बिकॉज you'll have to know this thing very clearly, that with the help of this mobile phone and the laptop and the desktop, we are getting an opportunity to connect with the outer world. We are getting an opportunity to connect with the outer world. आज मैं रांची में हूँ, लेकिन ये जो वेबिनार है इसे एक यूएस में बैठा हुआ बंदा भी देख रहा है और उससे कुछ सीख रहा है। सो it is very important to use all those resources which should be there, which should be important for us, for the growth, for the exposure, for the opportunity. अगर आप आज के डेट में जिन चीजों के लिए डिमांड है उसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हो, उसे आप यूज नहीं करते हो, बी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट इन द फ्यूचर यू विल बी लैगिंग, यू विल नॉट compete with the world. So अगर आपको अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने एनवायरनमेंट में, अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स से आगे रहना है, तो वर्तमान में जो भी चीजें डिमांड में है, जो भी अपकमिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं, उन्हें आपको समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू से स्टार्ट विद द स्टार्टिंग स्पीच दैट यू विल हैव टू connect with the present world of technology. So it is very much important, students, teachers, management. I just want to introduce this, that if we want to keep our student in the competitive world in the better position, then we'll have to give the better technology, better environment to our students. This is very much important, and this is the one little contribution from our side, that we are giving webinars, interactive webinars to all the students, through which they will be able to get to know what is robot coding, robotics and everything like that. So हमारा ये छोटा सा प्रयास है कि हमारे इस सेशन के बाद आप लोग समझने लगे कि हाँ कोडिंग क्या है, रोबोटिक्स क्या है, एंड ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स। फर्स्ट थिंग, आज हम लोग एक मेन सेशन अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, जिसमें हम लोग आपको गेम्स बनाकर दिखाएंगे, और 5 मिनट में एक गेम बनाकर दिखाएंगे, और यू विल फील कि ये जब गेम हम लोग दिन दिन भर खेलते हैं और ये गेम हम लोग 5 मिनट में बना सकते हैं। सो क्या इसको बनाने के लिए कोई इंजीनियर की डिग्री होनी चाहिए, इंजीनियरिंग मेडिकल की डिग्री होनी चाहिए? नो, नॉट एट ऑल। The only important thing is that you must have a knowledge base. आपके पास नॉलेज होना चाहिए। इफ यू हैव द नॉलेज बेस, देन यू कैन एक्चुअली डेवलप एवरीथिंग विद द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे। So I just want to say one thing very clearly to all the students, that you will, after this session, you will be able to develop games, website, and many more things with your environment, and this will be a great opportunity for you. And next, one of the most important thing that you'll have to know, that टेक्नोलॉजी आज के डेट में हमारे जीवन में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर हम उससे कट कर रहना चाहते हैं कि हाँ विल नॉट यूज बिग टेक्नोलॉजीज, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। विल हैव टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड ओनली बाय बीइंग द पार्ट ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी वी कैन actually lead ourselves for the better future in coming days. So I just want to introduce Raksha madam. Yes sir, Raksha madam.
Yes, sir.
हम लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे गेम्स हम लोग खेलते हैं, एंड वी स्पेंड आवर्स एंड आवर्स इन दैट। सो क्या वो गेम्स बनाना बहुत टफ है? क्या वो गेम्स आप स्टूडेंट्स भी बना सकते हैं? क्या वो गेम्स बनाकर आप अपने बेटर फ्यूचर को डेवलप कर सकते हैं? सो फर्स्ट विल गो फॉर दैट कि हाँ कौन कौन से गेम्स आप बना सकते, कैसे गेम्स बना सकते हैं, how you can actually do these type of things. So first, this is important for you all. After that, we'll introduce robotics also. What is robotics and how this is important, why this is important. Okay. So over to you, Raksha madam. I just want to say one thing, that we'll have to show how many games and what different type of activities we can perform by the games, and after that, how we can make that in the many minutes. Over to you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, good morning, everyone. So, I must say it will be a fruitful session to all of you, that your school has provided you this opportunity to understand what is coding and robotics. So, let's just start with some few activities today, and then we will just have a small game in front of you, which you can also design with the help of coding. So you can also master this art of coding. So let's have it on our screen now, that why the coding is important in our daily basis. Okay, so it is as equally important. Why? Because we can create games, not only games, but also we can design few websites, as well as you can just conquer the world, as said by sir, that yes, without learning coding and robotics and other new technologies, you can't think of the survival today. So in today's world era, everything is equally important. So just we can start with a small activity right now. Okay, so let's see. So this is a small activity for now. I'll just play this game activity over here, and you can understand this. Okay, so let's start. You can see the movement and the shooting. So this is a shooting game. Okay, you can see here. So what you have observed, the shooter is moving towards its direction, and it is shooting the bullets to its enemies. So these are all possible in your activity also with the help of few lines of code. And one more such game I want to show you, so let's have it here now. Again, I'll be sharing a screen with you that will follow the same, but a different activity will be there. So let's have it here now. So this is again a small activity that you will be inspired by, and just look at the coding that you must see. Okay, so this is also a shooter game. Okay, so in which you need to just think that if the enemy or some other obstacle is coming towards our path, so we can destroy it as well. With the help of coding you can do it as well. Okay, so there are few things you can do with this coding, that is here आप इस एक्टिविटी में कोड के थ्रू आप ये गेम डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, एंड इट इज वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल टू डू दैट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज इट? यू मे गेस कि ये क्या है, ये एक्टिविटी है क्या, और हमें क्यों यूज करना है. तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि ये एक्टिविटी हम लोग एक गेम डिजाइन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्यू थिंग्स. तो वो फ्यू थिंग्स आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, दैट इज द स्प्राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपके पास प्लेयर ना हो तो गेम में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल गो टू द स्प्राइट कैटेगरी, जहां पर आप अपने मन चाहा स्प्राइट आप यूज कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो पेंट दी सेम. सो यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ से you can choose a sprite. There are n number of sprite that you can have in your activity. So let's have this activity here, है ना. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, that is very easy and simple to choose as many as player as you want. यहाँ से अगर आप चाहो तो एक दो या फिर multiple players आप रख सकते हो as per your own choice. Okay, and then what next? वी वांट दैट कि ये गेम कैसे बना, तो फिर हम लोग उसके कोड कैटेगरी, उसके पीछे की कोड क्या है. So we can go to the code category and see this master code there, जहां पर आपको motion, look, sound, events, control, sensing, operators and variable. So these are the master blocks which we are just using and giving it to the code space, so that our program will run completely okay. So let's see here. From the motion category, you can observe there is move 10 steps, go to random position. So these are the code subcodes that we are using in our activity. So what is it, है ना. तो मोशन से हम लोग मूवमेंट पे कंट्रोल रखने के लिए कोड करते हैं. देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट वी हैव, दैट इज लुक्स कैटेगरी. वहां से आप क्या समझ सकते हैं? लुक्स मींस अ सिंपल एग्जांपल. आई विल से दैट आप लुक्स से अपीयरेंस जज करते हो कि यस, he is fat or thin, he is tall or small. So you can change its size, yes, of course, and you can change its costume as well. So you can see here, I will show you few costumes. So you can see here that is the rocket ship, and यहाँ से आप इसके various costumes को change कर सकते हो with the help of which code? So it is simply looks. So what next? It is sound category. So yes, आप यहाँ पर साउंड भी यूज कर सकते हो. आप अगर गेम को और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना चाहते हो तो आप इसमें साउंड कैटेगरीज को भी आप इसमें इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट अबाउट साउंड, है ना. क्या आपको ये जो साउंड कैटेगरीज दिखाई दे रहे हैं, क्या इतना ही है? नो, देयर आर मोर इनटू इट. तो आप साउंड कैटेगरी में जाकर यू कैन चूज एन नंबर ऑफ साउंड विथ योर ओन चॉइस. आप अगर चाहो तो यहाँ से बहुत सारे साउंड कैटेगरी हैं जो कि आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग अपने गेम के लिए डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. देन मूविंग बैक टू कोड्स, वी हैव इवेंट्स, है ना. सो सबसे पहले इवेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने पहले ही गेम खेलना शुरू किया एंड इट स्टार्टेड लाइक हमने ग्रीन फ्लैग पे क्लिक किया, तो ये किस तरह से हो रहा है? इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि व्हेन दिस ग्रीन फ्लैग इज क्लिक्ड, ये एक इवेंट है जो कि आपकी एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व है। तो आप अगर चाहते हो कि यस आप स्पेस की प्रेस करोगे एंड बुलेट्स विल स्टार्ट फायरिंग, तो आप उसके लिए कोड करेंगे। सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट इवेंट्स, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से आप इवेंट्स के थ्रू कोई भी एक्टिविटी अपने गेम की स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। एंड व्हाट नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कंट्रोल। कंट्रोल कैटेगरी में आप जाकर देख सकते हो कि यस देयर इज फॉरएवर ब्लॉक एंड इफ देन ब्लॉक। सो these are the conditions that we are applying, जो कि हम लोग डेली लाइफ में कंडीशंस अप्लाई करते हैं। देयर इज अ कॉज एंड इफेक्ट। सो यहाँ पर भी आप कंडीशंस अप्लाई करेंगे एंड कोड उसी अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करेगा। जैसे अगर आप अप जाना चाहते हो, यू आर जस्ट प्रेसिंग द की अप एंड द कैरेक्टर इन योर एक्टिविटी इज मूविंग अप। सो ये किस तरह से पॉसिबल है? These are due to the conditions that is provided in the control master block. Okay. Then moving next to that, sensing category. Sensing means it's a simple touch that you touch something and you sense it. Like suppose डे टू डे लाइफ एक्टिविटी में आप वाटर को टच करते हो एंड इट इज sensed that yes it is cold or hot. So that's according to that आप ये भी कर सकते हैं, that is अगर आपकी प्रेस कर रहे हो similar to our daily life, so whatever key you are pressing, जैसे right arrow की हमने प्रेस किया and the character is moving right, so if space की प्रेस कर रहे हैं then the bullets is getting fired. So आप ये सारे we are touching it, so it is sensing category. After that आप operators के help से you can just have some activities here that yes आपकी गेम अगर you want that कि 100 हमने स्कोर किया, after that it should stop. So ये आप possibly कर सकते हैं with the help of operator code block. Okay. And with the help of variable block आप पूछेंगे कि क्या होता है, तो वो है वेरिएबल में आप स्कोर डिफाइन कर सकते हो, स्पीड डिफाइन कर सकते हो एंड देयर आर मेनी मोर। सो अ गेम विदाउट अ स्कोर इज लाइक वी आर जस्ट प्लेइंग। एक ऐसा गेम सोच लीजिए दैट इज अ बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर इज देयर or a football team is there and there is no goal and they are continuously playing। आप ऐसा लग रहा है कि फुटबॉल मैच चल रहा है एंड गोल आपने हटा दिया है एंड वो जो गेम है वो चलता जा रहा है, तो ये तो पॉसिबली कभी खत्म होगा नहीं। तो आप उसको रेट करने के लिए गोल वहां पर डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। सो दैट इज वेरी सिंपल। यहाँ हम लोग वेरिएबल में स्कोर डिफाइन करते हैं। तो इसी तरह से ये सारे कोड कैटेगरीज को आप यूज कर सकते हो विद इन आवर योर ओन एक्टिविटी एंड स्टार्ट योर गेम। So this was very simple. Let me show you once again. Let me play it. Yes, so this is the game that we have. Okay, here you can press the space key and the bullet is getting fired, and if it is touched by the rocks, अगर वो obstacle से टकरा रहा है तो we have the game over in our screen। and जितनी रॉक्स आपने ब्रेक की हैं you are shooting it, so your score is increasing। so that's how we will have our activity of today, that is I will just have a few code in front of you and I'll define that yes you can also design such small game and produce in just few minutes। okay, so let me share my screen once again and then we will get started, that yes you can also do it in as soon as possible, in quite very less number of time you can do it। okay, so yes let's get started। so this is the new screen we have। यहाँ पर हम लोगों को दिख रहा है that is a default sprite is also there। so सबसे पहले हम लोग उस default sprite को delete करते हैं and we can have a small game here। मैं आपको hint दे देती हूँ, that is a bowl will move towards left and right, and it will catch the falling apple which is coming from the top. So I'll do it side by side. I will keep explaining you that what we are doing actually. Okay, so let's start. So there is a choose a sprite option I told you earlier, so we'll go and choose two sprites here, isn't it? यहाँ पे आपको दो sprite choose करना है, that I told you the ball will catch the apple. Okay, so let's have one bowl here. Yes, you can see here the bowl, and next we will choose an apple. So in one click we have these two things in front of us from the sprite. Okay, so what next, we will have to code here. So you can see if we are clicking on the bowl is here that we are going to code, and the apple if we click, so you can see here the code space for the apple. So now come, let's have the code for the bowl. It should move towards right as well as left. So we are going to use our master blocks, that is code category, that is motion, look, sound, events, and many things. So सबसे पहले the activity to be started, we are going to choose an event block, that is when click. So when the green flag is clicked, we want it to run. Like when we will be pressing the right as well as left arrow, it should move quickly. So let's have it very quick. That is, we will have the control and have this if then condition two times for the right as well as left movement. So we'll go and have the touching. I told you earlier that we will touch the right as well as left key. So we'll have in sensing block that key space pressed. So after that we will have right as well as left arrow key selected. Now we will have the horizontal motion. तो horizontal motion के लिए आप करोगे क्या, you will choose either move 10 steps, or you can see here the x as well as y axis. So we will choose it accordingly. So you can have here change x by 10 for the right as well as for left, but with a negative sign to move left. Okay, now let's check. इतना मैंने कोड कर लिया है, अब हमें चेक करना है ये वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं. So let's have it here now quickly. Let's click on it and have this ball moving correctly with our code done. So now let's move on to the apple and code for it that it should fall from the top. Okay, so let's go to event block and choose this when the green flag is clicked. So it should move randomly from the top. It should fall. So we will choose go to random position and set its y value. Why? Because it should fall from the top. So let's set its y value somewhere on the top. Okay. So let's have it here. Let's click on the green flag and you can see the automatic effect on the apple that we have just coded. हमने just यहाँ पर एक few code किया and it happened on the screen. You can see here. Whenever we are clicking on the green flag, it is automatically moving. Why? Because it should go to random position. Now we want the apple to fall. Again, we will have an event block, that is when the green flag is clicked. What we will do next? अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें apple को fall करवाना है. So we'll go to control block and have a forever block here, and we will change the speed of the apple. Okay, so let's change the y by 10. So it is just above है ना, वो 165 में है तो वो और अपराइज हो जाएगा. So we need a minus sign here. You can see here the apple is start fallen. ठीक है, एप्पल फॉल करना शुरू हो गया है, बट वी नीड अ speed that is somewhat lower. So we will set the speed as -5. Okay, so now what we will do, here you can see the falling apple is having a great speed now. So let's have quickly the effect that वो जो एप्पल है वो ज्यादा नीचे ना जाए, and without my clicking on the green flag, it should come back again to the random position that is already been set. So let's do it. Again, in control block, we have some if then category, that is, I told you earlier कि ये हमें conditions लगाने में help करता है. And we have a operator block that we will use, that it shouldn't go so low. So let's have it here in motion, that is, we will change its y position, isn't it? So it shouldn't fall, like it should go up to minus 170 and come back again. So we will use this block again here. Okay, so now you can see I have just clicked on the green flag and it is automatically been set to fall and come back again to the random position and start falling. वो अलग अलग random position से fall करना शुरू हो रहा है. It is going down and coming back again. So what we need next? अब हमें चाहिए that the two sprite will touch each other and our score should also increase. So एक गेम है और स्कोर ना हो तो उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता. सो लेट्स हैव इट इन वेरिएबल ब्लॉक दैट मेक अ वेरिएबल कॉल्ड स्कोर और पॉइंट्स व्हाटएवर यू लाइक एंड देन वी विल सेट आवर स्कोर. सबसे पहले जब हमारी गेम की शुरुआत होती है, आप कोई भी गेम खेलना शुरू करते हो, so your score is 0. So we will do it here as well. So we will set our score to be 0 and now we will change our score by 1 after getting the two sprite touch. So let's go in control block और वहां से हम लोग forever and if then category we will use, and if it is touching, the apple is just getting touched with the bowl, है ना. apple और bowl जब एक दूसरे को touch करेंगे, so we will have a variable change, that is हमारी score increase हो जाएगी by 1 से. and it should also do as such कि वो टच होने के बाद ही वो ऊपर से फिर अगेन रैंडम पोजीशन से फॉल करे. एंड इफ यू विश यू कैन यूज द साउंड कैटेगरी एज वेल so that to make it more interesting. So now you can see here this game is ready. So you can see here, yes, it is working. But what we want actually, यहाँ से हमें और एक स्मॉल इफेक्ट चाहिए. हमें क्या करना है, दैट अब हमें सारा कुछ पता है कि हमें क्या करना है. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी वांट नेक्स्ट इज कि हमने और गेम को अगर इंटरेस्टिंग शो करना है तो हमें एक बैकग्राउंड इफेक्ट लगाना है ना. इट इज वेरी सिंपली ब्लैंक, सो विल जस्ट चेंज इट नाउ. ओके, you can see here, if we will just change a few things, that is we can choose a backdrop. There are n number of background there, so you can choose it here by your own choice as well. So let's choose this creator 2. Now we can just play it on big screen that our game is completely done. Within few minutes you can design as beautiful game as such. So yes, our score is increasing as well as you can see it is touching the bowl and getting scored. So आप भी ये simple game design कर सकते हो by your own. Okay, so this is the thing you can design in just few minutes if you want, and there are many more games you can design. सो जितनी भी एक्टिविटी आज मैंने आपको दिखाई है, आप खुद भी वो सारी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन डिजाइन all the things by your own with the help of coding. आपने देखा ना किस तरह से थोड़ी सी चेंज होती है कोडिंग में एंड वो इफेक्ट आपके गेम पे एक्टिविटी पे नजर आता है. सो यू कैन डू दिस एज वेल बाय योर ओन. सो नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट अभिजीत सर टू, यस.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving such a great session to all the students. And after this session, I'm 100% confident that many of the students have got may have created interest in coding. But one thing I just want to say very clearly that coding is not just working to develop games. coding is somewhat bigger thing through which you can do a lot of things. Not only just you can develop games and but you can develop websites, softwares, application, and many more things. So I just want to say one thing. अगर आप प्रॉपरली कोडिंग सीखते हैं तो उसके बाद आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। आप वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं, एप्लीकेशन बना सकते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर बना सकते हैं। आप यूट्यूब देख रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारे जोमेटो देखते हैं, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस आप यूज करते हैं। तो आप वो यूजर, राइट नाउ यू आर वर्किंग एज a user for any particular company. So after going for the uh, coding classes, you can be the developer in spite of user. So this is the great opportunity that has been given from your school, that your school has introduced coding classes for coding session for your for their all the students, and this is a great opportunity for them. Now I want to go for the introduction of robotics. What is robotics? So let's start now. Uh, I just want to introduce robotics classes to all the students. I want to share some important PPT and some information to all of you that what is robotics. So whenever we want to say that robotics, तो एक वेग सा आइडिया आता है that robotics is somewhat डिफरेंट थिंग। वो थर्ड वर्ल्ड की चीज है जिसे हमें पूरा बनाना होता है, उसमें हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत कुछ आता है। उसको करने के लिए बहुत बड़ा इंजीनियर होने की जरूरत है, एंड यू हैव टू बी द robotics engineer for that. But I want to say one thing very clearly, that in the present scenario you can be a robotics developer also while you are going for the schools. So I just want to share my screen that what is robotics. Robotics जैसे ही हम लोग कहते हैं तो उससे सबसे बड़ा जो इंफॉर्मेशन जाता है, द automated world. It means the world in which the things are being done in the automated way. Things are being done in directly, and they are performing their activities without any internal or direct control. So many of the times when we say that robotics, then robotics is we want to introduce this particular. Why robotics? First of all, we want to say why we'll have to go for the robotics, because robotics is future. Robotics is future. So whenever we say that why robotics is future, इट इज ट्रू। व्हाई? राइट नाउ हम लोग बहुत जगह देख रहे हैं कि जो भी कंपनीज है, जो भी बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशंस है, वो अपनी एक्टिविटीज को परफॉर्म करने के लिए रोबोट्स का इस्तेमाल करती है। वो अपने एक्टिविटीज को अपने फैक्ट्रीज में, इवन इन मेनी ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल्स एंड मेनी ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशंस, दे आर यूजिंग robots to perform their tasks, to perform their activities. So it is very much important for them दैट रोबोटिक्स जो है उन आज की डेट के बच्चों, आज बच्चों को जानना चाहिए, समझना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट दे विल एक्चुअली go for, what they will actually get from there. So when we say that robotics, then robotics, in robotics will have to go for many type of robots. You may have seen my screen. In my screen you may be seeing that some robots are moving over here, they are performing some activities. So each and every activity these robots are performing, that is the compilation of many type of hardware, software, technology. And by just going through the focused study, focused work of all these things, you can also develop these type of robots. So whenever we say that robots, then you must know one thing very clearly, that robots are those type of hardwares which can perform their activity directly by their own controls, by their own thinking ability. So robot, when we call for the robot, so robotics is the technology which is developed by the combination of four types of assimilation, that is mechanical science. Mechanical science, it means when we go for the robotics, then what type of hardwares will have to integrate how we will perform that particular activity. Now, when any robot is performing any particular task, then there needs a coding. In the first session, as we have said, in the while with the help of coding, we were developing some activities in the virtual world. We were developing games which we can play on mobile phone and laptop. But when you will start coding for robotics, then you will be able to perform the activity with the robots in the outer world also. So there is a need of computer science. Then electrical science, it means there's a lot of circuits and all type of uh, works that is needed over there. So electrical science is there. Now आप जब रोबोट्स बना रहे हो तो किस तरह के मेटल्स यूज कर रहे हो, किस तरह के hardwares use kar rahe ho, that depends upon material science. So material science is also important. So by going through all these things, so you can also be a robotics developer, robots developer, and you can also do many type of activities which is possible in the robotics world. So I just want to say robots we make, हम लोगों ने हमारे बच्चों ने, हमारे जो बच्चे रोबोटिक्स का क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने बहुत सारे रोबोट्स बनाए हैं, एंड दीज आर सम एग्जांपल्स जिसमें आप जो कार्स से खेलते हैं, वो कार्स भी एक्चुअली एक बहुत छोटे लेवल का रोबोट्स ही है, जिसे एक ऑटोमेटेड फंक्शन के थ्रू परफॉर्म किया जाता है. सो आफ्टर गोइंग फॉर थ्रू द रोबोटिक्स क्लासेस, यू विल आल्सो बी एबल टू डेवलप many टाइप ऑफ रोबोट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट, आपने ये एडवांस रोबोटिक्स रोबोट्स देखे होंगे, आपने क्वाडकॉप्टर देखा है, देन दिस टाइप ऑफ स्मॉल प्लेन्स देखा है जो बच्चे खेलते हैं. You can be able to develop all these things also. So it is a great opportunity for all of you that by going through all these things, you will be able to develop all these robots by yourself, and you can say that you are the developer, not the user. It is a great opportunity. Now I just want to show one thing. This is the robot that our student have developed. This robot is just the example that you can also be such a great developer. This robot is balance is this type of vehicle is balancing itself on two wheels. आपने इस तरह के टॉयज अभी बहुत बड़े बड़े, बड़े मार्केट्स में देखे होंगे. जो मेट्रो सिटीज है वहाँ बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है वो टू व्हीलर बैलेंसिंग साइकिल यूज करते हैं. सो आवर स्टूडेंट आर डेवलपिंग दीज थिंग्स. सो by going for the robotics classes, you can also develop all these things. So it is a great opportunity that your school has given, that after going for the robotics classes, coding classes, you can also be the developer in spite of user. So last but not the least, that we'll have while going for the without for our courses, you'll have to know one thing very clearly, that uh, when you are performing an activity, then you'll have to know what is the purpose. आप जो रोबोट्स बनाने के बारे में सोच रहे हो, आपने हमने बताया कि आपको ये बना सकते हो, तो आपके दिमाग में आया होगा कि क्या मैं इस तरह के रोबोट्स बना सकता हूँ. यस. तो फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द पर्पस बिहाइंड the what is the purpose for which you want to do develop a robot. This should be very much clear. You want to develop a robot for transportation, for communication, for some particular activity, for robo fight. So purpose should be clear. Then that purpose should be assimilated with the ideas. It means that purpose should be related with how you'll have to use uh, execute that purpose with different activities. So you in that to perform that particular purpose, your robot's hand should move, it should move on wheels or two legs or four legs. So all these ideas should be clearly developed. Then after we start the process of to create that particular type of activity in the robot and the learning process. When you will start developing a robot, then you will find a lot of learnings over there. You many of the times you will fail, but lastly you'll find success. So it is a great learning process, and this can you can also do a lot of things in this. So we welcome all the students to our coding and robotics classes, and this will be a great opportunity for them also. And last but not the least, that we play hard. We play hard, and you can be the developer. You can be the developer of the robots which can fight which can play the games in future. So this is a great opportunity, and this is the future. Most important thing, that this is the future. So you'll have to perform the activity in such a way that you will be the part of future. You'll be the part of future, not the only viewer of the future. So this is important. And these in this way we are developing robots. These are some robots which we have given in factories. We are also supplying robots to different factories in many of the towns. So we are developing many type of robots which we are giving to different institutions also. So this is the great opportunity for all of you. Last but not the least, I want to say, make one with us. If you want to develop robots, then we are with you, and we can develop a great opportunity for you, and you will be the developer of the robots in future. Thank you. And now I just want to say one thing. This is the great opportunity that all of you are getting. So grab the opportunity, make the future, and be competent for the future. So thank you all of you for attending such a great session. And if you want to attend our session, then we are giving two free demo classes to all of you. It means that after this session, if you want to attend demo classes, that you if you want to attend free demo classes that we will provide, then you'll contact on our number 9155999935. On that number, if you'll call and you'll give your name and number and want free demo classes, how you will, then we will give you the opportunity to learn how you can go for the coding classes, how you can go for the robotics classes, what is very important, and that will be absolutely that will actually provide a great opportunity. So you want to repeat this number again, and you can that find it on also in the description box in our YouTube channel. That our number is 9155999935. So if you want to go for the coding classes, just contact us and contact your school authority. They can provide you this great opportunity to all of you in your school, and we are with your school administration. That if uh, your school will provide this opportunity with our involvement in your school, then we will give you the best of the services in your school, and you will be able to develop robots, games, applications, and you can be the future competitive student. So thank you, Raksha Madam, for attending such a great session. And we are all the time with the student and the school administration. Lastly, but not the least, the most important thing, I especially thank YMCA management, YMCA students, YMCA teachers who have contributed such a great effort to make this webinar successful and most informative for all the students. So thank you, madam. Thank you.